Good night, teacher. My name is Jordi Villa Rosales. All verse modern technology devices. Hello, everyone. Today I am going to compare an old cell iPhone and a modern smartphone. And I am an old laptop and a modern laptop. The modern smartphone is smaller and lighter than the old cell iPhone. The modern laptop is thinner and more practical than the old laptop. The smart iPhone is more expensive than the old cell iPhone, but it is more useful. The modern laptop is faster and more powerful than the old laptop. The old cell iPhone only made calls and sent messages. The smartphone has many more functions. The old laptop at Faber Promax. The modern laptop is better for studying, working, and watching videos. The smartphone has a bigger screen and a better camera than the old iPhone. The modern laptop has a better keyboard and a longer battery life. I think modern smartphones are more convenient and easier to use. I agree modern laptops are more efficient and more useful than old laptops. In conclusion, technological devices today are more advanced than before. Yes, technology is improving every year and making our life easier. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you, teacher.